An Indian snacky dish which is my favorite is Kurkure Bhindi. It is very easy to make. I've noticed it's a party pleaser. If you want some vegetarian options, you can serve it with your drinks as a starter, or you can serve it in main course. It somehow is everybody's favorite. The crispy, crunchy bhindi, as snacking, goes very well with your simple dal chawal. I have noticed a lot of buffets serve that, and it's everybody's favorite, and it's not difficult to make. So I'm going to show you the easy way to make the crispiest, crunchiest Kurkure Bhindi. I have washed the bhindi. Then each bhindi I have vertically slit them into 4 parts and then taken out the seeds. So the strips look like this. Like this one has still got seeds. I'll just show you. I just can take it out. Like this. So it becomes just like long strips. I've taken some besan. In that besan, I'm going to add a little bit of haldi powder, little bit of mirchi powder, little bit of jeera powder, and little bit of dhaniya powder. In this mixture, I'm going to add a bit of rice flour. So rice flour will make this very crispy. After all, we are making Kurkure Bhindi, so the Kurkure part will come from the rice flour. Salt to taste. Mix this up well. Put your bhindis in here. First, don't add any water to it. Let's see if the little bit of moisture remaining in the bhindi will make this coated properly. If required, we'll add a little water. Each and every bhindi has a coat of besan and the masalas. So this needs to be deep fried.
Let me fry the Kurkure Bhindis in hot oil. I will fry them in batches. So the first batch is ready. I'm going to take it out now. Now the second batch. This batch is also ready. It's crisp, it's nice, it's golden brown in color. Time to take it out. The beautiful, crispy, crunchy Kurkure Bhindi is ready. Sprinkle some chaat masala powder. This is absolutely delicious. You can have this with your normal dal rice or with your drinks.
Guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment and share. Do press the bell icon so that you don't miss any single video that's uploaded on my channel.